Bonjour, je vais mettre en mode de streamer parce qu'ils vont me casser les couilles. Hop. Ok. On continue.
Hello, Sonia Sanchez here. Welcome to the Sonia Show. On today's show, we'll take a look at our nation's booming oil industry. With the help of our Minister of Oil, we recorded the following. Just a moment. I have some very important news to share.
Attention,
You're kidding me.
c'est une
Ladies
blague.
and gentlemen, let's go live to our reporter at the wall. Beatrice, can you hear me?
Yes, Sonia. I'm
Ah,
here
c'est
at
là.
home where an attack has just happened. With me is Darren, who witnessed the event.
I'm on? Yeah. So I was sleeping in my tent when I heard a bang. Like a big explosion, you know? When I got out, I saw a huge fire at the wall.
Do you know what caused the explosion?
I think a truck smashed into it.
That's right, Sonia. A brigade truck crashed into the wall, killing a teenager on the spot.
Nah, you got it wrong. The truck didn't kill the teen. Border forces did. They're shooting kids all the time. Hey, don't grab my mic.
Uh-oh. Looks like we're having some
Oh, il a donné une information importante là. C'est pas le camion, c'est les gardes qui ont buté un ado.
Thank you for your report, Beatrice. Have no fear. The authorities will ensure nothing like this occurs on election day. Remember, I'll be there live. Now let's take a moment to look at the latest candidate polls. Looks
Oh, il y a
like
de l'abstention de
Tyra is
zinzin.
still the preferred candidate. As we approach election day, more and more protests are occurring in our fine country. Don't support the violence. Vote for Tyrak. As you know, the Sonia Show
Attends, mais il y a masse
is very
abstention.
concerned about our youth who continue to mysteriously disappear.
Est-ce que j'essaie du coup de faire les gens voter?
Remember, if you have any information, please
Vas-y,
call
l'énergie.
the Sonia hotline.
Putain, là, il me reste plein de trucs avec Jarod. Goldfinger.
Thanks for the ride, homie. Now I got time to
Oh non, j'avais oublié. Ah. Bon, tant pis.
anywhere with free electricity. Just need to charge my super dope tech in the back.
Ok.
Energy. It's the bane of my existence. Actually, this kid I met just helped me with an energy problem.
Qui a le malin, je parie.
Yeah, not as smart as me, but smart.
Ok. Ok.
Yo, go on. Ask me a question. I can multitask like an MFer.
Excuse-nous le PC. Hein. Attends, tu parlais de l'ado au mur.
Yo, I got eyes and ears and an IQ of 180, dog.
Oh, excuse-moi.
What happened is awful. Really think the brigades did this? Yeah, homegirl knows what's up, I think. At least on certain issues. Now, let me get back to this beta.
Ok.
Check it. Beta complete.
C'était rapide.
Beans, you know? Built that computer too. One day, everyone will have a computer like that. Nah, I'm telling you, small computers are the future.
D'accord.
Hungry? Ask your small computer for food. Lost? Ask your small computer for directions.
Ouais, ouais, ça s'appelle des téléphones maintenant.
That's the future, homie. I'm telling you.
Ah, c'est pas le futur,
So,
c'est
we gonna
actuel.
play this bad boy or not? No way you're worse than an adult. It's called Furious Tanks.
Vénère tank. T'as les tanks
And they're
et ils
furious.
sont grave vénères.
You're blue. This is easy mode. Red tank can't fire. It's like begging you to blow it up. You got skills.
Ce Z,
Now we play for real.
j'ai jamais vu un truc aussi facile.
Alex is about to take off the gloves.
C'est super simple.
Ouch. Yo, maybe we can make it better. Maybe the player has to gather ammo?
Oh
Maybe
non.
the bullets bounce off the walls? What do you think? Let me just... Boom! Game time, dog.
Oh, c'est super dur avec les balles qui rebondissent. En fait, t'as juste à tirer plein de fois et au bout d'un moment ça passe quoi.
So, what do you think? And be honest. I hate liars.
C'est pas mal, je préfère les balles comme avant, je trouve ça parfait comme ça. Ajoute les munitions à rajouter.
Okay, let me change this real quick. Done.
Il faut que tu mettes un truc pour... Oh là là. Aïe. Ah,
So, what do you think now?
c'est bon ça, on peut encore l'améliorer, je peux refaire un truc fun. On peut encore l'améliorer. C'était mieux que les munitions limitées, j'aime bien les balles normales. Une autre. Ah merde, bah là je joue à l'infini. Hein. Merde le con. Merde le con. Oh il m'a déchiré. On a eu à prendre de la vie aussi. Non il a eu la mune. Stop. Il est chaud le bâtard. Bam.
So, what do you think now? Nice.
Voilà. Allez,
Here's an advance
ça va.
for profits. And there are sure to be profits. I ain't playing around.
Oh, 20 balles pour avoir joué à son jeu de merde. Pas mal.
One day 100 people will play the same game at the same time. Now that's a good idea. We gotta make that game one day. You're blowing my
Il vient de
mind.
créer les Battle Royale.
I just picked it up on my own. My intellect is vast and sponge-like, dog.
Excuse-moi. Hein. Ah. Oh merde.
It's not your
Wesh.
slice.
Spam.
It's just I don't know my parents. Not my real parents.
Oh ça y est, refaire chialer parce qu'il connaît pas ses vrais parents.
The attack in 86?
Oui, je sais.
Yeah. Well, I think my bio parents died in the attack.
Enfin, peut-être que je règle le rétro là, je fous que dalle.
The really sad part is I got no memories of them.
Tu m'as trop manqué. Mais tu sais qu'on s'est parlé il y a 30 secondes. Genre.
I just
Bah
have
ouais, c'est pas grave.
this picture.
Ah.
It's from GNN, the day of the attack. They
D'accord.
actually have just one sec. I learned a lot about computers enhancing this. In a way,
Bah j'ai lâché une larme là. Il veut que je pleure ou c'est comment?
Thanks, homie.
Bah pas de soucis mon ref.
To talk and didn't know it.
Pas de soucis mon pote. Pas de soucis mon ref.
I'm on the road. They're probably gone. You know, buried underneath the rocks. But I want to find out as much about them as I can.
Oh non j'ai pas le truc. Bonne chance dans tes recherches mon
You
pote.
can drop me off at the next location.
Y'a pas de soucis.
Yo, your fuel is low, dog.
Oh
I'll
non.
run out of gas fast.
C'est à prendre son temps mon pote, bonne chance avec Fairtalk. Je m'en fous, c'est même pas ma caisse.
I know that. Think I'm blind? Now, crank some music. We best ride in style.
Grave. Non mais ça faisait longtemps que je t'avais pas vu. Parce que je suis trop beau, c'est ça? Si tu m'as manqué, t'inquiète. Il y a une grosse mouche dans la chambre, j'en peux plus. Grosse mouche de merde, vas-y. Donc Zoé, j'ai tout fini avec elle, je la reverrai plus. T'as dit mouche, ouais j'ai dit mouche et alors? Bah Zoé, je la reverrai plus. Là, Fanny, il me reste un truc avec elle. Alex, pareil. Stan et Mitch, pareil. Sonia, il doit me rester un ou deux trucs. Jarod, beaucoup. Et John, encore pas mal. Là, je pense que j'ai croisé Jarod. Sonia, mon bébé, tu m'as manqué. Oh là là. Let's get serious. Let's get serious, c'est Stan et Mitch. Ah non, c'est le camionneur, je sais plus comment il s'appelle, John. Y'a rien. Vas-y, je vais taguer Tyrek. Ça se trouve, le jeu il va dire qu'en fait Flores, bah, c'est une connasse. Et qu'en fait il fallait voter Tyrek depuis le début parce que c'est le sauveur de l'humanité, imagine. Imagine. Hop, crocheté. Y'a quoi? Oh! Perdu, super. Sonia c'est une pute. Casser le verrou. Voilà, je te crochette. Prendre des clés. Clés de voiture. Banger. Remercier. Je vais pouvoir me barrer en bagnole. Ok.
Chuck's isn't open right now. Renovation. Music? No, you
Bah si, il y a de la musique là, moi.
I'm a bouncer, not a takeaway service.
Bah excuse-moi.
Ken, let the kid in. He's harmless.
Whatever you say, Chuck. Go ahead, kid.
C'est John.
I win. Hand over those bills.
C'est moi les sorties. J'ai envie de faire pipi. Bah, elle va faire pipi. Y'a John. Oh non. Ouais, je vais faire. J'ai pas mon tapis de souris, mais vas-y, je vais faire. C'était super dur la dernière fois. Du coup, j'ai réfléchi à un truc. Fais gaffe, on est enregistré. Hein. Dis pas de dinguerie. Bam dans la gueule, John. Ah mince, je dis pas alors. Ça finira sur YouTube. D'ailleurs, les deux dernières fois que j'ai live ce jeu, c'est sur YouTube. Hein. Ah, je déteste quand ça fait ça. J'ai mal à mes coups de soleil. Purée, j'ai pas regardé. Bah, tu pourras. Hein. En fait, si je tape, voilà, si je tape trop fort, en fait, je me fais baiser moi-même. Faut que je tape suffisamment doucement pour. Putain, mais c'est trop dur. Je suis mauvaise joueuse, mais non, t'inquiète. Vous êtes des terroristes.
John was an excellent goalkeeper in his younger years. Came up short of making the national team. Guess it still bothers him.
There are a lot of things that bother me, Robert.
Oh, you're not. It's just that John's still living in the past. Chuck, serve this boy a martyr.
Here we go.
Un martyr.
Sure
Oula.
about that, Robert?
Our friend here is practically an
Oula. Non. Non, mais non, mais je veux pas boire, je vais finir bourré. Toujours le crâne plat, lui. Ouais, c'est vrai. Vous êtes qui vous en fait?
My name is Robert, kid. Nice to meet you.
Robert? De même.
You know, I do believe there's a reason.
Loupio.
Push on, young bud. It's getting late. Yeah, I feel it in my bones, kid. Something good, or real bad. I wouldn't count on it, young bud. I don't trust the electoral system.
Les élections sont truquées. Ah merde. On voit le chat sur YouTube ou c'est juste toi qui l'as? Non, non, c'est... On voit le chat sur YouTube. J'enregistre... en fait, ce que toi tu vois, moi j'enregistre ça. Après, le chat qu'il y a là-bas, là, je peux l'enlever. Hein. Et là, on verra plus.
Kid, wake up. Wake up.
Non, on laisse, c'est pratique. Ok.
You're in Chuck's basement, kid. John and myself carried you down here.
Ok.
Come on. I want to show you something. Something big.
Dis-moi. Il va me montrer son cul. La coke. Il va me chercher à montrer... Il m'a dit, je vais te montrer un truc gros. Les refs, vous connaissez un enfant depuis...
Brigade's secret hideout.
J'ai vraiment... tout volé, quoi. Donc là, il rencontre un gamin qu'ils connaissent depuis même pas 2 heures. Et il laisse entrer dans le QG les brigades.
Come on, I'll show you.
What's the kid doing here, Robert?
Tu pourras dire au monsieur qu'on mélange pas les rayures et les carreaux. Ah oui, bon, ça on s'en fout. Après,
Kid's political. Besides,
c'est que des rayures.
on the lookout for fresh blood.
Ah non, il a des carreaux là. Ok, je voyais pas les lignes. C'est tellement cool, j'ai rien promis.
See, he's not gonna say a word. Let me start with a big piece of news. Thanks to Zoe, we have intel showing that Tyrak was behind the collapse.
Ok.
Just like we've always suspected. You're just like us, kid.
Ouais.
We tried to end his life that day, but he set off the explosives on the peak. Each year they set it off to prevent avalanches. Must have set off too much in '86. I have some other big news. I have a plan to rig a Tyrak billboard. We'll attract cops to it by broadcasting a fake signal. When they arrive, boom, we trigger the device. This isn't a huge move, but it's a good start and will send a strong message. Do I have any volunteers?
Je sais pas, de tes côtés, il voulait faire péter un truc. Bûcheron, c'est un gentil à la base, non? Oui, mais en fait, il fait partie des brigades. On le sait, ça. Mais les brigades, ils sont contre Tyrak. Ils veulent faire un coup d'état, en gros.
That's great,
Merde.
I'll do it, Robert. This isn't who we are.
They're sending teens to the work camp, John. Protests aren't cutting it. And Flores sure as hell won't cut it either.
Robert's right. We need to attack. Now.
J'avoue, ça se trouve, Flores, ça va pas changer le truc. En vrai.
If all goes well, he can build us something bigger and badder for election day.
Moi, j'essaie que ce soit Flores qui passe, mais...
Be involved in this. For Christ's sakes, his mom's a cop.
We don't need Alex. We can find somebody else to do this.
I'm telling you all, violence will do more harm than good.
Funny, don't you think, kid? Funny because John and his girlfriend were the ones who drove the truck to kill Tyrak in 86.
I've changed, Robert.
Yes, you have. Look,
Putain.
vote and settle this right now. Who
Oh non, c'est moi qui va devoir trancher.
need to be more aggressive?
Est-ce que violence ou
I do.
on fait pas de violence?
I refrain. I don't.
I don't.
I do.
Free against free.
Putain.
He's here after all.
That's why you brought him in. To vote on your side. Incredible.
Kid, what do you think?
Violence? En fait, est-ce qu'on fait une révolution? Est-ce qu'on fait en sorte que on va passer avec les voix pour Flores? On vote Flores et ça se trouve ça va rien changer. Ou alors on fait une révolution et... Putain. Vas-y, vas-y.
Then it's decided. The brigades will go on the offensive.
Vous avez voté pour la violence. Mais c'est le principal argument en fait du RN, de Tyrak, pardon. Je me suis trompé de...
We all know what we need to do. Get in our cars and leave calmly.
Qu'en gros ils sont violents et que
They'll never suspect.
du coup faut voter Tyrak parce que les brigades et tout ils sont violents. Ouais, vas-y, on fait une partie. On fait une partie.
Let's play.
BAM! Oh, je suis trop con. Oh non, mais en fait c'est bugué. Je peux la pinch en fait. Putain,
Another game?
tout est lié. T'es nul un peu, ouais. Non, je vais arrêter de jouer parce que... On va y aller. Ouais, je me casse. Est-ce que je prends... Attends, mais attends, j'avais des clés, peut-être que je peux ouvrir un truc, non?
What can I do for you, kid?
Les chiottes. Banger. Y'a la police. Y'a la police ici. Bah attends, mais je me casse vite. Non. Faut pas que je leur fasse. Je leur montre le truc. Vas-y, je prends la tuture. Lisa t'a battu un peu, ouais. Elle est rousse en plus, comme toi. Je suis pas rousse, si. Les rousses, elles puent de la chatte. Pardon. Un peu radical.
As a reminder, never
Prenez jamais
stop
d'autostoppeur,
picking up hitchhikers.
quel que
Young
soit leur
or
âge.
old, they could be
On ne sait
dangerous.
jamais ce qui peut arriver.
And that's today's
C'est tout
Sonia
pour le
Show.
Sonia Show.
Thanks for
Merci de
tuning
rester
in.
avec nous. Ah bah, on va... Ok. Ok. Bah écoute, on va conduire. T'as vu, ton t-shirt il est roux? Ouais. Bah je sais pas, je suis pas rousse. T'as déjà testé pour savoir ça? Non, c'est une rumeur très répandue. Bon, à tous les coups, je vais avoir un autostoppeur. Regarde-lui là, au plein milieu de la route. C'est Jarod. Putain. J'espère que tu finis ta vie avec une rousse. Avec une rousse, une blonde et une brune. Ça, j'espère. Ça se passe mal, le covoite.
All my cigarettes are wet.
Mes cigarettes sont trempées. Ah. Je suis désolé pour vous. Il est bizarre, votre pote. Ah, de moyen. Eh ben, grosse ambiance.
Two guys are after
J'ai 2 hommes à mes trousses.
They've been following me up and down.
On lâche
these
pas d'une semaine.
roads. Up and down. I'm starting to think
T'es pas
I'll
musulman,
never quit.
t'as le droit qu'à une seule femme, toi. Bah, si je suis polyamoureux. Pourquoi vous suivre?
They want
Ils veulent
to
en finir avec
stop
moi.
to me.
Je ne peux pas les laisser faire.
Let that happen.
Ouais, Stan et Mitch, quoi. Non, évidemment.
That's why I'm out here in the rain and not in my cab.
Ok.
They're close. They're too close. I think they're fans of hers. Twisted. Hey, something's wrong with your doors.
Mais c'est un malade.
Stop what? I wasn't doing anything.
Je le dépose. Mais il va me buter, je crois.
I'm not going to do that. Do you know why?
Voilà.
That's why.
Ok.
No. Try me.
Non, non, c'est rare.
Now try.
C'est chiant. Oh non, Hugo.
I've had a
Je
really
pèle.
bad day.
Tu pelles des couilles?
Use some cheering up.
Bon, bref.
So that's what you're gonna do. Cheer me up.
Me distraire? Mais il est fou. Il veut que je me mette à poil.
I just wanna have a little chat. So go on.
Ok.
Chat. I did. And how does that make you feel? Oh, is he still our president?
Ouais.
You're already starting
Je
to
commence déjà à m'ennuyer. On dirait que ça va être à moi de poser des questions. Ouais, vas-y, vas-y, je réponds. Moi, je réponds à tout.
I'll tell you something else. I've been thinking about killing you.
Ok.
So better give me the right answers.
Oh putain.
Tell me, do you listen to the news often?
Parfois, ouais.
You shouldn't. The news is
Ouais, je sais ça.
misinformation. Tell me something else, and this is important. What do you think about Sonia Sanchez?
Je la supporte pas.
That's how I feel. You're not just
Non, les portes à Irak, je la supporte pas. Non, non, je le pense.
good. Sonia did something bad. Real
Ok.
I don't want your
Je ne veux
sympathy.
pas de ta pitié. Ok, d'accord, pardon.
No. All I want is revenge.
Ok. Pourquoi vous me racontez ça?
People need to know. They need to know the truth.
Ok.
Because of Sonia, my sweet daughter is dead. She'll pay for that. She'll pay dearly.
Désolé de l'apprendre.
Did I say it?
Ah oui, c'est vrai. Pardon, pardon.
Did I move a finger to save her under those ruts? Not one. Nor did those brigades.
Bon, on sait que c'est pas vrai ce qu'il dit. Mais ça, il le sait pas.
The car.
Ah, ok. Ouais.
I've decided what I'm gonna do to you.
Regarde, c'était le poisson, sa grosse voix de merde là. On dirait il mue à 60 ans.
Let you.
Ouais! Intelligence, oui!
But you're going to give me your.
Ouais, ça marche, ça me passe.
I can drop you off somewhere if you'd like. It is.
Mais non! Vous savez pas tuer.
I'm sure.
Non, si tu insistes.
Me again.
D'accord, alors vas-y, go. Bah haha, avant t'étais con, bah ouais, j'ai gagné de l'intelligence. En fait, mais je crois que j'ai presque tous les pouvoirs maintenant. Il me reste quoi? Il me manque le truc électronique, mais sinon j'ai presque tout. Ah, j'ai déjà la frontière, c'est rapide. Pourquoi une voiture? Oh, il y a de la thune. Benga. Il y a la police de partout par contre. Ouais, des hélicos et tout. Le son est fort. Ok, je suis direct là. Ok. Là, faut que je note un truc pour le vote et tout. Parce qu'il y a trop d'abstention en fait. Votez! Hop, une pierre. Je suis presque fou en énergie en vrai. En fait, je sais pas c'est quoi les provisions que je vais avoir. Oh le con, waouh, romantique, emmène Zoé. Mais j'ai déjà emmené Zoé ici. Mais Zoé maintenant, c'est trop tard, elle a passé la frontière, elle a dévoilé les infos sur Tyrak et tout. Homme capable. Ah, je sais. Let's go. Je sais pas ce que j'ai besoin, si j'ai besoin d'énergie, de thunes. Parce que là en fait je crois que j'ai plus accès à rien. À part la frontière, mais enfin genre les... Ah, je peux peut-être crocheter. Je sais plus. Là je sais plus du tout... Enfin je sais pas du tout comment je passe la frontière là. C'est quoi mes options en fait? Ah bah j'ai pas d'option, ok. Donc ça va être un truc du lore du jeu. Y'a Sonia. Y'a Sonia, y'a Chuck. Attends, du coup j'ai...
In just a few days, the nation will honor the victims of 86 and elect
Yes.
its new
Bah y'a
president.
Mitch et Stan.
When historians look back on this September 9th, many will consider it the most important day ever in the history of Petria.
It's perfect.
Ah oui c'est vrai.
Our country will be watching.
I agree. The time to act is now.
Intelligence says the brigades will try something, Mr. President.
Oh merde.
reporting live at the scene. This has been Sonia Sanchez for GNN.
And cut! You do her hair, is that it?
I don't do her hair.
Don't be offended. We think her hair is great.
Look, Sonia's not seeing anyone right now, all right?
Hi, kid. This guy won't let us see Sonia. He thinks we're fans.
Aren't we, Stan?
We're more than that. We're her biggest fans.
Putain, mais tu sais que Stan, c'est un nom pour dire fan en anglais. Bon, laissez voir Sonia.
Yeah, you heard the kid.
And who are you?
Yeah. Who are you, kid?
Pourquoi son cou il est aussi large que sa tête de... Je regarde ça, on s'en fout de qui je suis.
Whoever you are, get out of here. That goes for you two also.
Tu parles de John?
Mitch, we made the hairstylist upset. We'll talk to Sonia later.
Oh, are you crying, Sonia?
A girl died here in
Les yeux rouges. Ah.
Might as well do it now. This is for you, Lola.
Lola was her name. I tried. I tried to save her. But the rocks. They kept coming.
Le père de Zoé.
It's
Le
just
père de Zoé, c'est le ministre.
sometimes I wish I had died.
Celui que t'as vu là, c'était Tirak, c'est le président.
Lived.
Oh, Sonia.
Mitch, behind the rocks. You see what?
Non, laissez-le là, il est en train de se rendre compte que Sonia elle est gentille.
Come on.
Putain, il y a Jarod, Stan et Mitch, quoi.
Stop right there.
Et Mitch. Et Sonia.
You again. Wait, where's the other one? Mitch, the beast!
What the?
Woohoo! We got him, Mitch! We got the would-be killer!
Woohoo!
Stan? Mitch?
Wait, you know these two S&M guys?
Know them? They're the big brother.
Ah, c'est les grands frères de Sonia.
Hi, Sonia.
Oh, hi, Sonia.
You two come here and give me a hug.
Putain,
Right away, ma'am.
On our way.
c'est les grands frères de Sonia. Oula,
It's so good to see you two. It's been too long.
ils ont buté Jarod.
I don't want to rain on your family reunion, but he's gone.
Not a problem. We'll be here on election day. If he comes back.
Yeah, we'll be here.
Stan. Oh, Mitch. Oh, I'm sorry I've been so distant. I hope you can forgive me.
Don't worry about it, Sonia.
Yeah, don't worry.
Les retrouvailles émouvantes.
Aw, you guys are the best. Now give me another hug.
Ok.
That leaves just the brigades. Time to cut the head off the snake.
Quoi? Mais non, non, les brigades ils ont rien fait. Oh, l'idiot. Bon, comment je m'enfuis?
Snacks and drinks? Can I help you at all?
C'est quoi là-bas? C'est je paye le garde? C'est quoi? Examen de travailleurs frontaliers. Ouais, non. Après, je peux essayer, hein. Est-ce que j'essaye ou est-ce que je vais chercher, je vais voir l'autre? Allez, j'essaye. Bien sûr. Ok, je vais devenir garde frontalier. Donc je suis un pro-Tyrak.
will be detained. It's too late to leave. Try, and you will also be detained. The test will be difficult. Only the most honest citizens will pass. Your number will be displayed behind me. When it appears, it's your turn. Your test results will also be displayed there. So pay attention. There are certain requirements.
Comment je sais c'est moi qui est... c'est mon numéro?
Only married persons with at least one child can rightfully apply. Your contract, if you pass, will last for 5 years. No more, no less. Lastly, the majority of your pay will be sent back to your homeland.
Ah bah super.
Your number will soon be displayed. Bless our beautiful nation. What are you doing? Your number's on the screen. Get in there.
Ah pardon.
Ready?
Ouais.
Quiet.
Ok.
Let us begin. Question 1.
13.
What is your candidate number? Question 2. How old is your eldest child?
De mon aîné. J'ai le droit qu'à un enfant. Avec au moins un enfant, donc 5 ans.
Strange. You look very young. Question 3. If you pass, how long will your stay abroad be?
5 ans?
Question 4. What age would your eldest child be when you return from abroad?
10 ans?
Question 5. Are you, or have you ever been, a Black Brigade?
Non.
Question 6. Have you ever listened to illegal radio stations? Be honest.
Non.
Question 7. When did the Black Brigade terrorist attack occur?
86?
No. I repeat. When did the Brigade terrorist attack occur?
Bah 86?
Question 9. Who is our great president?
Tarek? Sanchez.
Question 11. Which of the following do you enjoy the most?
Écrire un correspondant étroché, lire de la littérature fantastique, soutenir les jeunesses tairakiennes.
Last question. Do you like Petria? I will know if you're lying.
C'est le plus beau des pays.
You can now wait for your test results in the waiting room.
Regarde les affiches.
Hopefully you'll not be arrested. Good day.
Oh non, il y avait rien de... Résultat.
You look young to take this.
Ta gueule! Ta gueule!
Don't worry, I won't say anything.
Ta gueule!
God, I hope he passes us.
Je suis pas ton pote. « 13 admis. Yes.
Number 13. You have passed.
Ouais!
Up and leave. And may you well represent our blessed nation.
Freedom.
Nothing.
Et voilà, c'était facile.
Many others in Petra still looking for it.
J'ai menti, hein, parce que j'ai vraiment aidé la brigade noire. Bon, après, bon. Ça a craqué là, ouais, tout a craqué là. Mon corps entier a craqué. Ah, ça tire, pan 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 pan.
And their journeys have only just begun.
Je me suis fait arrêter une fois, je me suis fait tuer une fois. Ah non, 2 fois, je me suis déjà fait arrêter à la frontière. Je suis mort 2 fois, je suis mort à la frontière aussi une fois. Il me reste plus beaucoup de temps avant les élections.
Hello.
Ici Sonia Sanchez, bienvenue au Sonia Show.
You know that Sonia has the best news, right? Well, I've heard that the brigades have recently held a secret meeting. and that they now plan to attack as many innocent people as they can to
Comment
spread
c'est?
their hateful message. Despicable, right? But worry not, viewers. Our great leader will crush the insurgents like the bugs that they are. If I don't do it myself first, that is. The gate to the border was open today. Goes to show you how great our nation is, because we had, as always, few requests to work offshore. Now let's take a moment to look at the latest
Ok, sondage.
polls. Looks like Tyrak is
Oh
still
putain!
the preferred
Mais il y a
candidate.
toujours de l'abstention.
As we approach election
Il y a
day,
19% d'abstention alors qu'avant on était à
protests
8.
are occurring in our fine
C'est
country.
une dinguerie.
Don't support the violence. Vote for Tyrak. As you know, the Sonia Show is very concerned about our youth who continue to mysteriously disappear. Let's view today's missing teen report.
Sonia a voté Rennes parce qu'elle est gaslight, c'est tout.
Remember, if you have any information, please call the Sonia.
Je reviens, attends. Ok, j'attends. J'attends pas mais j'arrive. Bah, ça va prendre combien de temps? « 15 minutes. Wouah, ah ouais. Alex. Sûrement je croise Alex là. Quand tu creuses les bras, oh ça y est. J'ai pas réussi à lire. I've seen that face before. Oh y'a Sonia. Sonia. Attends, tu pars 15 minutes au moment où il y a Sonia quoi. Je peux me reposer. Je pars après alors. Vas-y. Hop, rompiche. S'il y a toujours Sonia, c'est une dinguerie. Hein. Genre vraiment de dormir 24 heures, le truc il... Sonia est toujours là. Oh non, on m'a enfermé. Dinguerie. Comme ça que je peux... Non mais je peux crocheter. Non, je peux crocheter, voilà. Hop. Coucou Soso. Celle de Sonia. Ouais. Et alors? Ok. Ok.
Of course you will. Now grab the bottle and get going. Sonia doesn't like to wait. Shoo, go.
Carte magnétique. Et au bout du couloir, il est chambre 307. Hop, des clés de voiture. Hop, on gratte. Hop, gagné. On a gagné combien? 10 balles. Travis, je sais que tu organises des réunions de brigade noire dans mon hôtel. Je ne me prends pas pour un jambon. Tu as jusqu'à vendredi pour m'apporter 10 000 $. J'accepte toutes les coupures. Mets ça dans la boîte aux lettres et à côté de la poubelle. Si tu ne le fais pas, je n'aurai pas d'autre choix que d'appeler la ligne anti-brigade. Et tu imagines comme ça briserait le cœur. Cheryl. On tag lui. Et on va le donner à Sonia. Euh, 307, donc c'est étage 3. Au bout du couloir.
You're a loser and no one knows you. It's perfect.
Yes, Sonia.
And don't blow this.
Yes, Sonia.
Finally. Put it on the table and get the hell out. Wait. You ever take photos?
Ouais. Ouais, bien sûr.
Not that kind, perv.
Ah, si tu peux être un peu déshabillé, moi ça me va. Hein.
No,
Ok,
no, chop chop.
ok.
Okay, here's the scoop. I've sent Adam, my driver, to meet 2 members of the Black Brigades in the warehouse across the street. While he talks, I want you to take photos. Got it?
Ok.
Just don't screw up, sweet cakes.
Ok.
Down here, you see me? What do I do if they start asking questions?
You keep that trap shut. The kid and I'll tell you what to say through the earpiece. Now we wait. Kid, you got any questions? Any at all?
Ça me va aussi.
Now's the time to ask. Those brigades are probably up to something.
Oh, madame.
What about you, honey? Planning on being at the border for the big day?
Bonjour, madame.
Oh, Jesus. Another political teen?
Plus tard. Choupette.
Can I pee, Sonia? It burns.
For the 100th time, no!
Okay, I'm going in. Hey there, guys.
Quelle beauté.
There, guys. Jesus Christ.
Evening, Thelonious.
If you say so. Sweetie Pie, take a photo.
Let's talk inside.
This better be good, Thelonious.
We baited them. Felonious there supposedly has important info.
Ok.
Adam, we can't see you. You gotta make them move.
Guys, can we go somewhere else? The feng shui is off here, right?
You're a very strange man.
I got a bad feeling about this, R.
Relax. We're looking for info on where Tyrak's gonna be. Thelonious is gonna help us. With that kid Alex's help, maybe we can take him out. Sir Thelonious, what can you tell us about Tyrak?
Okay, honey buns, think fast. Numbnuts needs our help.
There's a new pump. Tyrak will be there for the grand opening.
Yeah, surrounded by dozens of secret service. That can't be the only thing you have to tell us.
Si je prends une photo, à mon avis, ça me.
You want more information? You'll have to pay for it. Whoa, whoa! Let's stay cool.
Oh, Adam's a trooper. He'll be fine.
You're not going anywhere. Tim, search him.
He's got an earpiece, R. We need to go.
No, we go on the roof. It's time for a more serious discussion.
Ok.
Oh, shut up, kid. Just keep taking photos.
J'ai pris 0 photo hein, depuis.
Whoever's listening, I sure hope your friend knows how to fly.
Non, mais le tuez pas.
You idiot.
Over there, R. At the window. We see you, kid. She's got a camera.
I'm gonna count backwards from 5. If I get to 0 and don't have the camera, Thelonious goes over. Got it?
Don't you dare give him the camera, honey buns. That's my story.
5,
Bah ouais, j'ai sauvé Adam.
4.
Bah si, attends.
Kid, grab the camera, Tim. We're getting out of here.
Mais meuf, ton pote il va mourir.
He would have wanted you to keep the camera.
Mais elle est conne.
And to think I was gonna make you a junior producer? Bah. Oh, hi, Adam. Hope you're happy with yourself for ruining the story.
Sorry, Sonya.
Get out of here, sugar. For I tell the cops there's a missing teen in my room.
Elle est trop conne, Sonia, c'est une dinguerie. Bah ouais. Bon, je me casse. Ok. Ça baise. J'entends des bruits de lui, ça, de lit, ça baise. Y'a rien. Je reviens ma puce, vas-y.
What took you so long? Well, anyway, here's a few bucks for your help.
Merci.
Hope she talks about the blue water on her next show. I love Sonya so much.
Allez, je me casse. J'ai des clés de voiture, je crois, donc je peux prendre une bagnole. Allez, go. Mais je m'en vais pas du tout vers la frontière là. Boum 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 boum. Alex? Personne. Faute de paiement, l'assurance de votre voiture a été révoquée suite à un défaut de paiement. Donc c'était une bonne journée et les assureurs joyeux. Les assureurs joyeux conduisaient dans la joie, conduisaient avec le sourire. Planquer la voiture, conduire. Bah conduire. Ah ouais, je fais pas mal de kilomètres. Peut-être je croise Jarod là. Ou Stan Mitch, parce que ça fait longtemps. Peut-être Fanny. Peut-être John. Bam, bam. Oh non. Pourquoi j'ai cette musique de con là? Bip boop bip.
Get your tapes and snacks here. Tapes and snacks.
C'est quoi cette musique? Pourquoi j'ai une musique comme ça dans les oreilles? Je sais pas c'est quoi le code. C'est quoi cette musique de zinzin? Carte de crédit. Banger. Hop. Banger, 60 balles.
What can I do for you, kid?
Banger. Merci, merci pour la thune.
Slot machine to you?
Allez voilà, Alex.
Me too. But only one of us can win, yo. The other must be sacrificed to the gods of Palm. First to 3 wins. Isn't it the most beautiful thing you've ever seen?
Ça va être long. Bam.
Score against me? Aw, hell nah.
Non, je suis trop con.
That's what I do to fools.
En fait, la sensibilité est différente. Je crois que plus tu la maintiens, plus ça va vite. Je suis trop con.
Tell you, son.
Oh, le bâtard. Bam.
Okay, okay. Homie sees how it is.
Tout prix que je gagne. Bam! Banger!
No one's ever beaten me. I'm gonna need a minute to process this.
Ah bah mais bad hein. Ah on est en date, ok ça marche.
Defeat's hard to swallow. Luckily,
Et puis j'ai rappelé que des burgers.
I make games, by the way. Me and a chill kid who gave me a ride made furious tanks. Maybe you've heard of it?
Bien
I
truc.
even sold some to this diner, but they screw me out of my rightful cut. Yeah, they'll get theirs. Don't worry.
Ok.
Don't know yet, but it seems like something big is gonna go down. Tyrant could spin whatever happens in his favor. I just had an idea. Time to take what's mine. Come on.
Oh, il marche lentement. La musique est pas adaptée.
The job's simple. There's a room in the back where they keep their cash. I should be able to hack in. Everything's gonna be fine.
Oh, vas-y,
This
vas-y,
isn't
je
my
te suis.
proverbial first rodeo. Come on. Yo, this digicode is from the age of the dinosaurs. Nah, homegirl, but I got some tech to use on it. One day, scientists gonna study my brain. Boom! What'd I tell you? Oh man, door closed behind us. Gonna re-trigger the digilock.
C'est rien, pays guéri, 3 mois après l'achat d'attentat, ce pays sur la voie de guérison, le mur a été entièrement restauré, Tarak a augmenté la surveillance de frontières de façon à ce qu'un tel événement ne se reproduise jamais. Gloire représente Tarak.
Now, let's look for the dough. Lot of stuff in here. And it smells.
Tout laisse à penser que le groupe terroriste des Brigades Noires est responsable du terreur attentat inférieur le blanc à cause des éboulements connus.
Hold up. There's an article here on the attack. Bodies of certain brigades believed to be at the wall were never found. No way. My bio parents might still be
Bah, skip mon ref hein.
Use my tech. This article is important to me for personal reasons.
Banger. Je hack. Oh là là, la thune. Je suis richissime. Oh!
I hear someone coming. Hide. Shh. Be hella quiet.
Al, have you been in the back room lately? Looks different, like someone's been back here. Yeah, I'll check. Just give me a second. Bad news. It's empty. Okay, I'll sit tight. Uh-huh. Okay, bye.
Oh, no, 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 no!
Hey, who's in there?
Run!
Hold on, just whatever you took, give it back. It's your lucky day, kid. Get out of here before I change my mind.
Ok. J'ai quand même eu le plein de thunes. Mais quel connard, il m'a embarqué là-dedans. Du coup, j'ai quand même les clés. Ah, tout ça pour qu'on me vole de la thune, quoi. Moi, j'ai pas avancé. Right here, right now. Ici et maintenant. Là, je fais quoi là? Il y a un gars derrière. Dans le coffre. Planquer la voiture. Vas-y, je vais faire planquer la voiture. Ah ouais? Ah ouais? Ah ouais. Ok, je suis à la frontière. J'ai fait rien. Je pense que le plus de trucs qui va se passer, c'est à la frontière, je pense maintenant. Votez! Oh non, quelqu'un a cassé le... Ouh là 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 là. Aïe 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 aïe. Et bah super. Là c'est le bazar. C'est la musique de Jarod en plus, on est d'accord? Je vais me faire fumer moi. Oh. Ok. Je me suis fait arrêter là. J'ai fait tout ça pour rien du coup. Ok, avec tous mes pouvoirs. Je suis où là? Ah c'est Max! Il est en mauvais état.
They beat you. That's why. But you should start to feel better soon. No, there are other cells here. Guys, say hello!
Ok.
I called the cops on me at a gas station. There was another teen there.
Ok.
They must have been arrested too, but taken in a different car. We don't. We wait until we're sent to the pits. Won't be long now.
Ok. Ah ouais.
Get your hands off me!
Your friend's been chosen for you. Treatment. We'll turn him into a good teenager yet.
Ok. J'ai pas l'air d'avoir d'autres choix. On est 9. Ah ouais, déjà?
Wake up! You're being transferred to the pits. Now get up! Demonstrations. It's election day, and scum like you want to make trouble.
You need to go.
Y'a Fanny!
To get you in the truck.
Go, go, go.
Quiet back there.
They fried him, man. I don't know if he can talk now.
Ah ouais. C'est le bordel là.
Do I know you?
Ah ouais. Il a plus de cheveux, il a plus rien. C'est un peu bugué là, non?
What are they doing?
They know we're in here, right?
Stop that! Get your hands up! Stop!
Nickel.
A prison van has just been flipped over.
Go, go, get him out! Everybody, to the wall! Where the hell is Robert? Big John, did you see Alex? You saw Alex? Where is he? At the wall. Kid, come with me. I gotta find someone.
Ok.
This way, young blood! There's an opening up here.
On se barre.
Alex! What are you doing?
John! It's not what you think! Robert got someone to make the bomb using my blueprints! I'm trying to disarm it, but it's not working! Robert must have changed the code. Dude is a straight up a-hole.
He probably used a code you wouldn't know.
1919, the brigade radio frequency. And 1986, they seem the most logical.
I have an idea. Youngblood, try 6682.
You sure?
J'ai oublié. Il a dit quoi? 662.
It worked!
Ok.
But how'd you know?
That was the code of the first bomb. Your birthday.
First bomb? My birthday?
Your mom and dad, Alex. Naomi and Steven. They built it and used the most important day of their lives as the code.
6682. Il y a un problème là.
But there was a problem at the last moment.
Ah non, le 6 juin 82. Ok.
Tried to take Tyrak out of the truck. We'd worked too hard to come up empty-handed. But we missed. And Tyrak detonated the explosives on the peak.
And my parents were killed.
Yes. And Connie. And so many others that day.
Why didn't you tell me this sooner, John?
I thought it'd radicalize you. Push you to build the bomb. And I didn't want you to hate me.
Hate you?
If I had killed Tyrak, your parents would still be alive.
They made their choices, Mr. Yu. They put themselves in that position. That's not on you.
Thanks for saying that, kid. Now come on, let's...
Don't move. Hands up and turn around. Slowly. Hands up, I said.
Mom! Don't shoot!
Alex?
Your mom's a cop?
Get out of here, Alex.
That voice.
Wait. Papa. No.
You know each other?
Yeah. Turns out I've been chatting on the CB with the very person I was after.
Well, it's not great for me either. The woman I love being a cop and everything.
Love.
Yeah. Love.
Ha! Don't make me laugh.
Listen, I'm sorry I stood you up. I chickened out.
You think I care about that now?
My mom and Mr. Ursus were gonna go on a date? My mind is gonna explode.
Alex, I told you, get out of here.
Listen to your mom.
So, how do you know each other again?
I did some work for the brigades, for info on my bio parents. John knew them.
Yeah, right.
It's the truth. My girlfriend and I were friends with Alex's parents.
Your girlfriend?
She died in '86. I've been trying to protect Alex. You gotta believe me.
You're not doing a very good job, are you? Take a look around. How many deaths are you responsible for because of that radio?
But I've made some terrible decisions. Not a day goes by that I don't regret them.
Ah, boo-hoo! So, what am I supposed to do? Let you go? Is that it? Well, I can't. I'm a police officer.
Please, Mom! Lower your gun!
Get out of here, Alex.
Drop the gun!
Alex, stop!
Get away from him.
John!
Mais non! Elle l'a buté!
Alex!
Mais quel
The
con!
the other side of the wall have broken through and are now fighting the border forces with the brigades. Could this be it? Is the revolution really happening?
Rejoindre la lutte, s'échapper. Rejoindre la lutte ou s'échapper? Putain, j'en sais rien. Allez, on rejoint la lutte. Sonia la connasse.
Now might be a good time to go, sir.
Ah, ça va être le bordel s'il tue le gamin. Fanny elle va pas être contente.
Zoe!
Ouais, Zoé!
Fire at will. Sir?
Oh là 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 là. Ils ont buté Zoé. Ils ont buté Zoé. John est mort, Zoé est morte. Oh, c'est une dinguerie. Hein.
The uprising that started that day spread to most of Petria, ensuring a fair, democratic election. Flores won by a landslide and promised to repeal much of what Tyrak had done. Tyrak was arrested and tried for his crimes. The iron pits were closed, and the wall came down as well. Though it's far too early to tell what the future of my country holds, for the first time in many years, there is hope. And that, at the very least, is a good place to start.
Putain. Mais non. C'est la fin. Waouh. Mais du coup, on n'aura jamais Sonia qui... Oh non, ma cam. Mais putain. Mais non, j'ai pas la cam depuis tout à l'heure. Aïe aïe aïe. Pourquoi ma cam elle marche pas? Je vais péter les plombs. C'est l'équipe. Du coup, il me reste des trucs avec John, avec Fanny, avec Stanley et Mitch, et Sonia et Jarod. Nouvelle partie plus.
I'm here at our nation's border under National Mountain, the site of the Black Brigade terrorist attack in '86. If you don't remember, hundreds died that day when a brigade truck carrying explosive devices crashed into the mountain, triggering its peak to collapse. In 2 months, on the same day as the
C'est le début, on le connaît. Beat it. Just beat it. Just beat it. Bon, évidemment, je vais faire en sorte de... que ce soit Flores qui gagne. Sans qu'il y ait de lutte. Pourquoi ma souris là? Ah, c'est bon. Sans qu'il y ait de lutte. Bam bam bam.
You've been breaking things, haven't you? That's not very nice.
Bah vous faites quoi vous?
I'm scaring you.
Un peu.
Sorry. Follow me. I want to show you something.
Ok. Là je t'assume mon ref. C'était lent.
Impressive, isn't it? The brigades used to live here.
Ok.
In fact, this is where they planned the attack
Ok.
in '86. Don't insult me. But someone I loved was.
Quelqu'un de cher l'était? Quoi?
Terrorist group behind the attack at the wall in '86. Tyrak found it after the attack. Those still here were arrested, and many were never heard from again. Go on. Take a look around.
Bah, y a pas grand chose. Piécette.
That's what they called the radio tree. They used it to make their radio broadcast.
Ok.
You're looking at what
Est-ce que je l'ai gentil là ou...
their members. It is terrible. That's what I wanted to show you.
Ok.
I think we should break it.
Pardon.
I said we should break it.
Bon, je sais pas.
I said break it, or I'll find something else to break.
Ah ok, on doit le détruire. Ok.
I like to smoke after therapy.
Ouais, non, je sais pas.
What goes around comes around. I know that. Well, they took Lola, is why. Lola was my daughter.
Ok.
The brigades took her away from me. She was
Putain,
just
chaud.
16 when she joined them. Her biology
Ah, Lola était dans les... Mais non.
She always liked Bob. She was. When the day came for the attack,
Je vais finir par être empathique de Jarod.
sent her and some other members to the wall. The detonation didn't go as planned, I guess, and she was buried beneath the rocks.
Ouais.
She wanted to be a paleontologist.
On voulait être paléontologue,
Someone who
étudier les
studies
dinosaures.
She knew everything about them there was to know.
Bah, elle était là.
Everything. Yeah. Of course she decorated it with dinosaurs.
Ok.
This was a mistake. It didn't help. None of it. Destroying the tree. Talking. It only made things worse. You should run. Run.
Il va faire quoi? Ok. Y'a rien là. Une pièce c'est tout? Non, je suis venu pour une pièce. Y'a son taxi là? Yo, ça fait quoi si je run pas? Mais non, on m'a pris un stop. J'ai faim. Ah. On va rencontrer John. Ouais, c'est...
Get your hand out of there if I
Ok, pardon.
appreciate it. 2 hours and you barely said a word. Feel free to start a conversation, okay? Don't got the dough, don't got the choice. It's safe, most of the time. Just don't do it often. I agree, but I don't think she's gonna pull it off. Voter intimidation and all that.
John est mort et Zoé est mort parce que on a fait une révolution. Donc si je fais pas une révolution, peut-être qu'ils mourront pas. Ou alors c'est d'autres gens qui vont mourir, hein, genre Fanny.
Papa Bear, got your ears on? Over.
Ooh, that's Mama Bear, young wolf. We got a CB type thing going on. I've never actually met her, but I think I'm in love. I want to ask her out, but I've been out of the game too long. Can you help? Thanks, kid. All right, I'm going in. Hi, beautiful. How's my CB crush doing today?
Beautiful? Well, if you say so. I'm all right. Ugh, but my boss is writing me about this illegal transmitter.
Yes, she is, Youngblood. Never thought I'd love a cop before.
Honestly, I'm starting to think a ghost is moving in. Speaking of transporting, what are you hauling today, Papa?
Something just as intriguing. Pineapples. Youngblood, it's going well. I'm gonna ask her out. Any advice? Mama Bear? Aren't you getting tired of talking like this?
Oh, you don't want to talk anymore, Papa?
No, no. What I mean is, we should meet in person. Look, we got a nice CB thing going on, but I got to meet you, Mama.
I don't know, Papa Bear. What we have is nice. But maybe it is time we met.
You're not messing with me, are you?
No. Name the time and place. I'll be there.
Woohoo! Yeah! Road pilots, Youngblood. Get in the back. You know how to handle a nail gun? These lowlifes think they're gonna get my pineapples. Ha! Can't legally carry a gun, so you'll have to shoot them with nails. Oh, that's nothing.
Je suis un putain de sniper. Attends, mais quoi? Ah oui.
Shoot the lock to open the doors. Take them down, Youngblood. Might sting, but you'll live.
Papa Bear, you think of a time and place?
Youngblood, think Mama Bear likes seafood?
Papa Bear?
I'm here, darling. You like gumbo? Damn, they're back. Show no mercy.
What road are you on, Papa Bear? We got a call. There's a shootout on Route 220.
Oh, really? Get him off Buckheaster, Youngblood!
banditos are almost finished.
EZ.
Oh yeah! Way to go, young blood. You're a cold-blooded sniper.
Papa Bear, I gotta run. Looking forward to our date.
Me too, Mama. Hey, that's our little secret, all right? Youngblood, gonna have to drop you soon, but it's been a blast. I appreciate that, Youngblood. I hope you reach your destination.
Ok. Là, je vais faire tout, tout le reste, je suppose. Je fais énormément de route là. Et merci. Pam, pam. Est-ce que je vais faire des trucs que j'ai jamais fait ou enfin que des trucs que j'ai jamais fait ou que des trucs au pif? Spell la Kill Teen Spirit. Oh non, je vais refaire le truc avec Zoé. Ah bah là ouais, je vais faire le truc avec Zoé. Là y a aucun doute. Est-ce que j'ai vraiment envie de le faire? Je sais pas. Ouais.
You're gonna vote, right? You're wrong about that, kid. Voting leads to change. And change is what we need.
Ouais.
That's Zoe on her trumpet. Careful with that one. She's trouble.
Ok.
Get your tapes and snacks here. Tapes and snacks.
Ah non mais du coup je refais Zoé.
Give me the money and I won't call the cops.
A guy got stabbed here 2 days ago, and they never came. The cops aren't gonna show for this.
I don't have time for this. Just admit you stole from me and...
I didn't do it. Everything's fine.
It's not fine. She broke into my office and stole from me. Who the hell are you, kid? Some kind of teen superhero? You teens. I don't need the hassle. I'm out of here.
You didn't have to do that, you know. I was handling it. Well, I was, okay?
Ok.
Anyway, welcome to the Night Skies campground.
Mais du coup ça j'ai déjà fait. Ça me saoule déjà.
This place is the best.
Qu'est-ce que tu fais là-haut?
To look at the stars? I know, it's cheesy.
Je m'en fous.
There's some cardboard around here, near Dancing Carl. Yeah, see you around, I guess.
Il est là. Il va sûrement me violer, mais c'est pas grave. La Zoé elle va revenir me voir là. Eh, tu dors. Eh.
Hey, hey.
Non, je veux pas faire la trompette avec toi. Je vais être le plus aigri possible. La première fois, j'étais trop. Est-ce que je peux pas me barrer?
Sit with me.
Oh, je peux pas me barrer.
You don't have any marshmallows, do you? Sorry, I ask everyone that. Anyway, it's nice to have someone normal around here. I left home at the start of the summer. I wanted to get out of Petria. Like you, I think. My dad thinks I'm on a big road trip. Truth is, I'm never going back home again. A lot of times, actually. It's scary there. With all the security, I traveled there with my father. for his work. I don't know, but it's got to be better than this, no? Sometimes, yeah. But what scares me the most is going back to my old life.
Putain, j'en ai rien à
Enough
foutre.
about all that. Hey, why don't we play a little music?
Non. Non, je me barre. Je veux pas jouer. Je veux pas faire autre chose, je veux pas. Faire tout mal.
Let's play Bella Ciao. I used to play this all the time. You know.
Na 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 na.
Don't be scared, man. Give it a shot. Not bad.
Bah non, ça a chier.
Okay, now let's try it with the music. I should be recording this. Okay, faster. My stomach hurts. All right. Yeah, all right.
J'ai rien fait de bien.
It's 3 in the morning! Put that away before I come up there! That's it! Both of you are gone by sunrise! Understand me? And don't come back! Ever!
Oh man, that was great.
Non.
Ah, don't sweat it. I was gonna leave anyway. But I'm just sorry for you. You're in a hurry to cross. I like that. Well, we should probably start packing, huh?
Ouais.
Good luck out there. Oh, this is for you. To remember this moment.
Mais j'ai déjà. Je quitte. Parce qu'en fait, je m'en fous. J'ai déjà tout fait. Il me reste un truc avec Sonia, Stan et John et Jared. Il m'en manque 2, je pense. Bon, bref. En fait, j'ai pas envie de le finir à 100%. Donc voilà. Hop.